So I want to work on, let's give it a class name of logo. Okay, good. So now you see that when we call on navbar, it will work for everything, but when we call on logo, it will only work for this text rain. Okay, so let's come down inside our style still. Let's come down here. So because we are using class, I want to use dot logo. Okay, dot logo. Then I'm going to put our curly brackets. I'm going to come down. I'm going to say, let's say font size. Font size. Font size. So we're going to put, let's say we want to put 18px, and we want to save it. By the time we come back here, okay, it's bigger. Okay, let's make it obvious that we are working on it. Okay, let's make it 58px. Okay, so that will be obvious. Okay, good. So it's obvious that we're working on it, right? Good. So logo, can you say it's only affecting the logo, right? Yes. Now you know we have other divs here. Okay, but because we have named this particular div we want to work on to the logo, and we are now targeting it with that logo that we named it with. Okay, so that is why we are doing it like that. So let's do it at 18 and let's save it. That's quite okay. Yeah, that's quite okay. So that way we have been able to we can decide to do something else. So we can decide to add a span here. Okay, we can decide to add a span here. So let's say span. Then we copy this span. We now bring that span here. Okay, so we save it. Now the reason why we put span here is because we want to do something here. Let's come down here. So let's call our span. That's the only span we have, so we can call it directly. Okay, so let's call our span and say color to be red, and then we save it. Okay, so now by the time we come back here, can you see what we have? We are doing the rain red. Okay, and how are we able to do that? We came to this rain here, we gave it a span. Okay, we gave it a span tag, then we close it. Then we came into our our styling area here. Then we called our span. Then we give it a color of of red. Okay, so if we decide to say font weight to be bold, or no, let's use 800 to be 800. Okay, now we have not saved it here. Look at how it looks like. By the time we save it and we come back here, can you see how bold it is now? So we have been able to style our text rain and also make it look good. Okay, so that's how it works. So do well to practice it. We are not going to go deep on this one. It's just a digression for us to see how we can create a menu. Okay, how we can create a nav bar. Okay, yeah, a nav bar, simply put. So we have created our logo, we have created our menu, and we have also created our button. Okay, so as we proceed in our videos, we'll improve on this. We'll add another section to it, probably the hero section. Okay, then we'll keep doing it at intervals like that, so that before you know, we have built a full page. Okay, so do well to practice, very important. Do well to practice, and don't forget to comment, share, like, and follow. I'll see you in our next video.